All right, this tutorial is for your contour line assignment. So same thing as geometric. If it's not a JPEG, it's not going to open up in Adobe Illustrator. So make sure that you open it up in Preview and export it as a JPEG file type. From there, you're going to take your file, drag it into Adobe Illustrator, Command minus or plus will zoom you in or out. We want to make sure that we lock the first layer. There we go, sorry. You want to make sure that you lock the first layer and then create a new layer down here on the Layers tab. If that window is not showing, all you need to do is click up on Window and make sure that Layers has a check mark next to it. So now we will be using the pen tool again, so click the letter P on your computer keyboard. Contour line is a little bit more difficult because you will be clicking and pulling with your mouse. So you're going to start your first point and click. Then you're going to click and pull to get that arc to fill in that shape right there. And as you can see, when you pull, there are lines going in two different directions from your point. So right here, this line is arching because of this line right here. So you've got to make sure that both of your points are in a direction that you want them to go. Because I have the fill on is why I can't see where I need to go. So right here, down in this bottom left-hand corner, I have the stroke line and the fill. And right now I want the fill to be none. So I'm going to click right there. And now I can see a little bit better on where I need to be going. So on this next line, I'm going to click and pull. And I don't like where that one's placed, so I'm going to press Command Z to go backwards. So click and pull. And I'm going to try and finish it right here. Click and pull. And then I'm going to switch the fill to black and the outline or the stroke to none. That's what my shape looks like. I can find that out by pressing the eyeball over on the Layers window. If I don't like the shape, I'm going to use the Direct Select tool or click the letter A on my keyboard. From here, I can look at the points. Do you see how this one is going through? If there's something that you don't like about your design, now's the time to change it. It's not like your 6x6s where you have to start completely over. So to view the background image, click the eyeball again, and then start working on your next contour line. This one over here might be a little bit more effective to start with because it really has a lot of thicks and thins. The thicker you can stretch your, or the longer you can stretch your arrows or the curves, sometimes that's for the better. So on this one, I really need to get that correct. So again, using your quick commands is going to be the most effective tool for you. So Command Z. If you don't click and pull, then you're not going to get those angles going in two different directions. So on the contour line, again, it'll be a lot of going backwards. If you need a straight point, if you click on the point that you just laid down, it will give you a straight point. So, good luck.